Well, good Monday morning, traveling with Kev. So Lori and I have ridden our bikes back to the capital city of Kua. They call it Langkawi, which is odd, but it's properly pronounced Kua, K-U-H-A or K-U-A-H. Anyway, it's 36 degrees Celsius. Not to brag or anything, but we are melting. But today we're going to go and film my eagle. And it appears that it's some sort of a national holiday because every single other human being on this island, including my beloved here, appears to be in this parking lot. So we'll go and take a look. So my eagle is right in front of me. This is a global geopark. So on the map, right now we are down here at the Kua jetty. So we rode from over here in Pantai Chanang, where we are, all along the ocean here. Beautiful ride. Gorgeous ride. Over here to the capital city of Kua. And we're right down here now at the Eagle. So we're gonna go from here, we're gonna go up in here and up and around and down to complete our loop today. So here is our eagle, the Langkawi eagle. So in a previous video, you saw us out in the boat and watching them feed. They call them the Langkawi eagle. They are native to here, only here. They're a different eagle. They're smaller than our North American bald eagle. They are quite fast and agile, and as you saw in that video, they don't fight each other for food. They kind of take their turn. They're very polite. Our guide says they're very polite. Wow, this thing's huge. Beautiful. Our next stop is the Langkawi Nature Park. So this is up the east side of the island, about 9 kilometers north of the capital city that we were just in. So on the back side of the nature park, which was an abandoned zoo, and he's just in the process of rebuilding the whole place. He's got some peacocks and a couple of goats. Not a lot of animals yet, but he's just kind of rebuilding this thing from the dead, quote. So this part of this little journey is the mangrove walk. So this is what we boat toured through yesterday. So day before yesterday, I guess. So it's really cool. It's tidal influenced water. It is salt water. Oh, lots of bugs. And yeah, it's kind of cool here. I can hear some fish.
There's the odd needle nose.
Needlefish?
Needlefish.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of cool in here. So if any of you are familiar with cicadas, they're like a cockroach. They are part of the roach family. And they're up in here, and they make this noise with their wings. You'll never see them. They hang underneath the branches, and they're the same color as branches. But they really are the most annoying things. We're probably half a kilometer into this raised mangrove walking bridge. It's very cool. And it just keeps going and going and going. I don't know if it's an out and back or if it's a loop.
No, it's out and back.
Is it out and back? Okay. Very cool. "991 steps." This.
Brown.
There's one up there in the air. So this is the river that we boated on the other day. Of course, this river has many, many lefts and rights. So whether or not we actually came down this piece of it, I don't think so, because I don't remember seeing this structure. But it's pretty cool. And there's a monkey over there that's pissed off that we've invaded his home. So there's another eagle. It's a Langkawi eagle right there. Beautiful. There they are. Gorgeous. Yeah, we got monkeys, we got eagles, we got mangroves, we got saltwater, we got fish. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now we go 991 steps back.
We're gonna have to start breeding them again.
Yeah.
A couple of hyenas.
They're pretty.
We tried to, actually we had 8 hyenas here, so we wanted to.
So the decision is, how many hundreds of stairs? I see people way up there coming down. It's 39 Celsius right now. So do I really need to do another 600 stairs? Let's see. Yep, stairs. Apparently only 100 meters of them, which is 400 feet. So about 400 stairs, 350 stairs. Piece of cake. 40-degree weather. Easy.
Take all that sunscreen off.
Now we made her. Lori is just dripping.
Oh, so are you.
Kevin is dripping. There's people swimming. And the waterfall is over there. There's a nice wading, clear, clean wading pond there. I think I'll walk down these rubble stairs here and shoot a little better video from down there. Lori doing the reverse rappel. And I'm next.